Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DB3. This is class 9 ICSE Mathematics. We are using Conscience Mathematics book published by Selina. We are learning 6 chapters: linear or simultaneous equations, exercise 6a. Today's sessions we are going to learn question number 2, and we are learning solving a pair of equation substitution method, how to solve the pair of linear equation by substitutions method. Okay, and before going to start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates video, please click bell icon. If you want to see other chapters video, please click I button and go through the playlist. Okay, don't get confused with this simultaneous. The pair of equations are called simultaneous equation. That's why linear equations. Okay, the pair of linear equations are called simultaneous equation. And question asked to solve linear equations by substitutions method. Okay, I didn't write all the questions because it is too long questions there. That's why I wrote the main point on the question asked to solve these equations by substitution method. Last sessions we learned the question number 1. Now today we are going to learn the second questions. Okay, substitution method. Okay, if you want to know the basic about the substitution methods, please go through the last session's video. So for substitution method, we have to get the value of one of the variable from any one equations. Okay, they will always provide two equations. Okay, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, they always provide two equations. If there is two variable, they will give us two equations to solve. If there is a one variable and one equation to solve. If there is a three variable, three equations to solve. We will learn the three variable equation from class 11 onwards. Okay, now to solve the linear equations by substitution method, first we need to get the value of one of the variable from any one equations, either from equation 1 or from equation 2. I said choose that equations which is the small coefficient. Okay, if this coefficient is 1, that is the best equation to choose for get the value of that variable. Okay, if there is no equations of coefficient 1, then choose that equation. Okay, which has the small coefficient. Small coefficient means number which is attached with the variable. These are called coefficient. The number in front of x is called coefficient of x. The number in front of y is called coefficients of y, and this is called constant. The number without any variable called constant, and this is called coefficient of x. This 5 is called coefficient of x. Then coefficient of y is 1. That means I said choose that equation. Okay, for substitution method, choose that equation which contain the small coefficients. Okay, small coefficients or coefficient 1 is the better to take that equations. Okay, if the coefficient 1 is there, then it is easy to get the value of variable and to substitute in another equation. It is very easy to solve. That's why I am saying please choose that equation. Okay, first to get the value of one of the variable, choose that equation which has small coefficient. Okay, now let me explain by solving these questions. Now just choose the equation. Coefficient is 2, coefficient is 3, coefficient is 5, there is coefficient is 1. That means it is better to use second equations. Okay, better to use second equation. Okay, now we are going to use second equations from equation 2. 5x plus y equals to 9. Okay, always get the value of that variable which has a small coefficient or coefficient 1. Now to get the value of y, the coefficient of y is small. That's why to get the value of y, take this 5x to other side. Okay, then y equals to how much? 9 minus 5x. Now we got the value of y in terms of x. We got the value of y in terms of x, and take this value of y. Okay, take this value of y and substitute in next equation. Don't substitute in the same equations. Okay, this is the main point. From where we got this value of y? We got from equation 2. Okay, we got from this equation 2. We got from this equation 2, and don't substitute this value in the same equation. Okay, substitute in the next equation, that is equation 1. Okay, remember this is the main point. From which equation you got the value, don't substitute in that equation, substitute in the next equation. That means we are going to substitute this value of y in equation 1. Let me highlight this value. Substituting the y equals to how much we are going to substitute? 9 minus 5x in which equation? Don't substitute in the same equation. From where we got this value? The value of y we got from 2. Then don't substitute in equation 2, substitute in equation 1. In equation 1. Okay. Now let me write the equation 1 first. Equation 1, 2x minus 3y 7. Now replace this y by its value. Now substitute means replace this y by its value. What is the value of y? 9 minus 5x. Now we are going to write in place of y 9 minus 5x. Okay, 2x minus 3 is there. After 3 what is there? Y means if there is more than one value, always put inside the bracket 9 minus 5x. Got it? Okay, now substitution, we are replacing y by its value, that is 9 minus 5x equals to what is there? 7. Then 2x, take this 3 and multiply to both. Minus plus, the sign is always in front of the number. Minus plus minus, 3 9s are 27, minus minus plus, 3 5s are 15 equals to 7. Now together the like term. Okay, variable one side and number to other side. That means we are going to 15x. Okay, minus minus plus, 3 5s are 15x. Okay, variable one side, number to other side. That means we are going to take this 27 towards right. Now what is there? 2x plus 15x equals to 7 when number goes to other side. Okay, the sign change. Okay, then what sign is there? Minus sign when it goes to the other side. Okay, right to from the equal to, then sign change to plus, then plus 27. Now they are like term, we can add or subtract. Okay, if they are like term, how to know like term? Because both the symbols are same, both the variable letters are same. Then while during addition and subtraction, always take addition subtraction takes place to their number. These numbers are called coefficient. Okay, 2 plus 15 is how much? 17, and this symbol remain the same. And their sum is how much? 34. Then x is equals to 34 divided by 17. This multiplier number always goes to denominator to other side. Okay, because their relation is division relation is there. That means 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, x is equals to 2. We got the value of x. Now after getting the value of x, substitute in these equations. Okay, in the expression of value of y in terms of x. Now y equals to how much is there? 9 minus 5x. 9 minus 5x, then y equals to 9 minus 5 into, in place of x what to write? 2. Okay, in place of x what to write? 2. Then y equals to 9 minus 2 5s are 10, then 9 minus 10 is minus 1. We got the value of y. Then while you're writing the value of x and y, write them together. Okay, therefore x is equal to 2, y equals to minus 1. If the answer is right, you can highlight it. Then if you have doubt, okay, after solving the equations, if you have doubt whether these answers are right or wrong, take this answer value of x and y and substitute in any one of the equations. Okay, substitute in any one of the equations. After substituting, simplify it. Okay, if the left hand side equals to right, our answer is right, otherwise the answer is wrong. So that means somewhere we made mistakes. Okay, I will show you how to check the answers. Okay, checking answer. Okay, let me use which equation is easy. While you substitute the values, choose that equation which is easy to solve. Okay, which save our time. Okay, let's take this one, equation 2, because there is no number means no need to multiply. Okay, let's take equation 2. 5x plus y equals to 9. Now replace this x and y by their value. Okay, now 5 multiply what is there, 2, then plus y is how much, minus 1 equals to 9, then 10 plus minus 1 equals to 9. 9 equals to 9 means that the left hand side equals to right hand side means this right. Okay, got it? After solving, after getting the value of the variables, if you have some doubt whether your answer is right or wrong, you can check in the exam. It takes only 1 minute to check. Okay, otherwise you can do mentally also. After doing a lot of practice, you can check the mentally also. Okay, now I am requesting you all, after going through this video, okay, after going through this video, try to solve others questions from your textbook. If you need some kind of help, please comment us. We'll meet in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe and practice regularly. Thank you for watching.